Abusia mema wo akwaba edo ba Amazing TV eso. Mesra like sa video we na share na afoforo enya bi enhwe. Wo adwenkyere bi afafa comment box na mu yensa beka na se wunya and subscribe to your YouTube channel ya. Bohumoden na subscribe. Abusia said they wouldn't know amazing. The aircoso awayan celebrities one in channel, and not me de be a brow, yes, the SC, our Ghana no, and I'm a ma uti be, and as ye me no eddy as Shamudia, Jumadia, ah, wushay, a 3 in 1 news. Yes, now Jumadia mudia, Chesenipa would demarcutinu muyepa, a Shatta Wale, and Majid Michael. On send and send Shatta Wale, ebedi Jackie Appiah, at them saw Jackie Appiah, I can ask them way back, I'm say getting to 2 years, and ye, I feel naturally say, Abba more pesa or reply Jackie, any jai, Shatta Wale, ebedi Jackie Appiah, at them ye pan, na sa at them the day home, and I just Majid Michael, so abona adwen edi akire Shatta Wale ho na semben na Majid oka edi protect na wife Jackie Appiah achese oka edi against Shatta Wale misramo mama yansha ensem na se emfa free this side abeku santana etwa ne nan ase won se nche bia na abna kokko ye nyina ya abna kokko celebrity number 1 a show celebrity yes you see I don't know they were verified a show celebrity enchai enobegu abeku santana animu asese abeku santana nka wo forso no ene nada ene ahode ende wo de kyerese nanum ntasuo nyina efo kyerese nanimu nyina wonim obeka sa ewie ya chire no say abeku santana so esanso eko despite ni party ase a kyerese mfonyin bia no mutwa utimu say despite pushi abeku santana every the side so kakra ni nyina mnutimu say ya nimguase enkakankakra ni bi opon we nyina kyire no abeku santana na ni monyam kakra aka kyerese ye nyina ye hwe protect no akakra aka no na kyerese wode aba besi kyerese wababesi dwamu ho a ode sa no wahu asa wosa yes muma yentie sound ni bia na no oden and munyam kakra aka no ahu na kyerese ode yesa no ati ase yes after sab na kokko ebe disgrace no onya na adwen so bebody aka ne ban still ode dwoku street abusuya mama yemfiri ni sound ni bi na sound ne de say do sanso ni miye say o kyerɛ Ghana for say woni matopabu said you ni nyina ya atopan what ase yes o post to sa video we na wo twere ase said was say waist shaking challenge yes sana wo twere the good video no ase e wo Instagram abeku santana no o prove abna kokko wrong abusia yemfri ne de ne so na yentoa so e wo kyerese Majid Michael na kyerese Shatta Wale side abusia Majid Michael afa Jackie Appiah adwuma wo so no ankasa ebedi Shatta Wale atem no Majid Michael afa to ne ho so di Shatta Wale atem edi ama Jackie onim on se na nsin Shatta Wale ebeka nsem bi say Nigerian artist bi ebeka nsem bi say wo se wo ba Ghana na so beduru a Ghana ma no obesesa wo mo aboso ene o se obadwe be 20 abom obeka san nsem no Shatta Wale bufi e ma Shatta Wale ebeka say Nigerian artist wana say Nigeria for embu Ghana for because say woka say wo befa Ghana for ma 8 ene o mo ada na say more than 8 ene o mo ada at once ya e say disrespect e de ma Ghana ma yes inti we say protect Ghana ma ni ahode ende na abusuya e we say protect Ghana ma we say protect Ghana ma yetete kwa say nim say Shatta Wale asesa yete kwa sa abusuya de hu ya ni say gbum Shatta Wale aspidi wo Jackie Appiah so minim se wo hu Jackie Appiah say wo ye heaven say wo ye bi hu say do se hu Jackie Appiah yetete kwa do when Shatta Wale aspidi wo Jackie Appiah so any jai adidi atem any we channel left e channel right wo se wo ye hyewo where say wo de describe Jackie Appiah no abusuya frankly speaking ano odin yes uni aba any Jackie Appiah ebe ya wo ja ewo mu woti a uyem be hyew say na ede na kyerese menu ya be ede ye Shatta Wale abusuya sa ensem ya Shatta Wale e kan ti a kyerese Jackie Appiah yi na Majid Michael afato na ho so a reply Jackie yes na show yi mu de ayi Shatta Wale ni baby mama Shatta Michi omu nyina ewo mu bi ye be hwe de yakọ what ase yes nya abotra na hwe fama me mama ye hwe de ekọ so ewo this side ye hwe de Majid Michael eka
where Jackie no Shatta from. And then I said, but Jackie, where you know Shatta from? You know, so judging from afar, I don't know if I am now hearing this because it's very easy to judge from. It's very easy to sit down. Oh, Shatta, they what they do no good. Oh, Shatta, they why do so. It's very easy to judge from afar.
Continuous. Yeah, we can't cast him.
Yeah. No. You can't. Hey. You can't. But it's easy to judge from afar. Can I say as if someone went to tell someone to tell someone? But it's easy for us to sit there and say, oh, what Shatta is not good. What Shatta is not good. We are judging from afar. But my question, I didn't even know Jackie knew Shatta. I didn't even know they were friends. I didn't even know if they are friends or if they are not friends. You understand? For Shatta to come out that way with derogatory words, saying very, very, very bad words to the public. But Shatta, you yourself are the one that said we should protect and honor our girls. You said that not too long ago that we should protect our girls.
Abusia we die unia akotu Shatta Wale esori ana no pa enso ono ankasa eka asem wa na wasan so a contradict Shatta Wale no yes na Majid Michael refer ni say emre bia ebumpenche you enche 2 months ekura nya nuri obeka say we should protect our girls na wono de wa sha ase just all destroy woman
bad words to the public. But Shatta, you yourself are the one that said we should protect and honor our girls. You said that not too long ago that we should protect our girls, honor our girls, and keep our girls from. And you said it so many times, so I was shocked to see that.
What Majid Michael said, like after say Shatta Wale can't answer no Jackie no was say a sheno ewenimu yes was in the yemu sheno yes sabe pepe was shock what I say yes because now we expect say Shatta Wale ebetimi akeka answer no e de akire Jackie and so Shatta echo to that extent e bo na adwen rough e de kire Jackie.
That's dishonor. Regardless of what they
yes or say and only a dishonor. It means say the Shatta eka yeni nyina mu no Shatta andi na asem so what I say yes mama yenti
they did because honor is to protect the person even if you know the person is wrong. That's honor.
Yeah.
And I was say o kan nyansem what I say yes that's honor was say o kan asem nyansem dan say o be sore na wo Jackie na wo last time bi o ka say na COVID-19 yes ma miska bia na asem America na nye or say any kwansa o kan say o so kan nyansem what I say yes dan say ba yes na wa jimi na de na we hyewo.
You know your father never paid your school fees, but you brag to your friends. My father is the best man in the world.
Who are you saying? Who are you saying?
No, I'm saying generally.
I mean, so can you?
You say what Papa in child school fees that, but you stand in public and praise your father.
Ya mpodi ya na yen kasa ya pa mpodi omu ye good. Eh, na obi a me papa ye minister de mi si den eh.
Say good things
about. Can I need a year one time?
That's honor. That's honor. Yeah, you understand? I think we have to honor women more, and we have to love women more, and protect our girls more. You know, right?
Abusia, yes, not just say Majid Michael, no. I was say protect your money be bree than the Shatta Wale na hon was Shatta de no or the nano na kan we are no mu asanso atwa ne ho aba be twa wo mo abusia mesra mo Shatta Wale ni baby mama Michi or kan asem bi e wo video we mu e wo UTV show ase yes endra no mu di ahyiam yentie de Shatta Michi e ka
hear the question?
Shatta is Majid.
Hi, Yvonne.
Oh, Majid. Why are you
You
catching
look
me
amazing.
Shut up, me.
Hi, Arnold.
Shut up, Majid.
How much is the shoe today?
Oh, 1 CD 50%.
Nah, this looks expensive.
Unim Shatta Michi ebisa Arnold say enen mpabu ane yesen on say ono ankasa ni kunu na yi ne ba ne papa Shatta Wale na kire say o ka kire Arnold say ne mpabu ano eye 2 CD 50 pesos na Michi nso ba be to say adwuma ne so na wo bisa Arnold say na de ne mpabu ane yesen na Arnold say eye 1 CD 50 pesos na Michi say oboa ebro because mpabu ano fit no efe yes we dey at hasa na Arnold aje Michi afri Shatta mpodi say so far de Michi enye ne dia biem yete hasa na kire say Arnold aje Michi aboso.
Hey, let me tell you this.
Shatta she didn't do like that.
abusia yes na anono what you say so far the way any the air den eko anoden na yanhwai Hajia been to so kan asembi e wo ka say yes Hajia been to Shatta Wale adamfo wo kan asembi ma menkan emfa ema o say plenty money nti sack is talking by heart. Shatta Wale will never encourage the youth to use their money to buy expensive stuff but sack what dey na abusenye Shatta Wale na ya obeye say na me ayi we me watch we ne boy say we say mato we ma say we nyina encouragement ni bia but Hajia been to there or say sakwa there Jimmy ni kire say sika bebra wanya nti wo kasa wondwen ho yes so far the way ane the echo Majid Michael say wo catch Shatta Wale plane enye plane fa say the wire editor Jackie Appiah no kire say it's below the bet ade a or the atina ni monyam so kra especially such statement be no be make say we should protect our girls no so I make such statement no and I just say or yes I did tie Jackie and can forward not Majid Michael no now so far as say wetin aba be can say we should protect our women there e was say wo Shatta nso won so utimi ye dan e protect wo mu bi eni kwan se umum esanso ye nipa obesanso a destroy wo mo se nipa na kan asem atiawo na se wanke ni ye a esan se ye protect wo munti no we should find a better way of what saying it obetimi aka kama oh Jackie no kra ne se a wahu de Ghana ekoso last time bi na sika sem bi wo ka se manke ni ye wahu so fa wahu de omo ye yes na waka nyansam na akire se asumdua eden aba nipa nimpo besere react ama bibia ye kama but on drag nipa no emesi wo say nipa no ase nobody be na nobody mpo betima did nobody attempts so wo ya hyewo den wonim ni secret bebre ni nyina ne se wa beka wa asem ketua bi hey abusia so far the way ene de Majid Michael so aba beka e de afa ho